Hey everyone, so I received this as a gift from the brand and wanted to show you guys what's inside of it. First off, there are 24 colors. It's all of these colors right here. This is DIY bedazzling, and I feel like these are like the next thing now. So it looks like we can use this on any surface. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and then we're gonna do a project and show you guys how you do it. So upon pulling it out, oh, I love that this kit comes with everything you need. It even comes with this little tray. I've gotten a different like bedazzling kit off Amazon and it did not come with these trays. So I do appreciate that it comes with these trays. And then it also has, it looks like the B7000 like super glue. So we'll go ahead and just pull this out, show you guys up close what's all inside. Ooh, so I like that it comes with 3. Again, the other kits that I've got, they usually only come with 1 glue, but these come with 3. And let me tell you guys, these glue, they are really sticky and they are great. And then you're obviously going to need a tweezer. Since I have, I like to do these kits with my kiddos. There is only one, but luckily I have some extras at home. So if you're going to do this with your kids, you might just want to grab off Amazon a couple more tweezers like that. And then let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks like up. Ooh, these are so pretty, you guys. There are 24 colors. Let me show you guys a couple of these, just how it looks like up close. There you go. So I'm gonna pick a project here and then we're gonna do it together and show you guys, but these are super bright and so pretty. I can't wait to try it. All right, you guys, so my daughter is doing her bedazzling on her little Hello Kitty, and we found a couple more cute little figurines. And honestly, you can just grab whatever it is around your house to do your bedazzling. Like I have a keychain here, and you could even like put it on your keychain. You can do so much with it, or if you wanted to practice like even on a color pencil or crayon, you could do that. There's so much that you could do. I was even thinking that you could even like bedazzle and put it on the cheeks of the Pikachu, or like if you've got some old stuffed animals that you don't need, you could do it on there. There's just so many different things that you could do. And all that we did was we put all the different colors that we were going to use, and you don't want to put too much because you don't want to waste it all. So we put some on here. And it does get a little bit messy, so just make sure that you guys do it on a tabletop where you don't mind it getting too messy. And we've got our little Hello Kitty bow here, and it looks like we are just about done, and we're gonna just let it dry. And it looks so cute, you guys. Here's our little kitty here with the bedazzling bow right up here, and then also you're gonna make sure that it's dry first. And there you have it. So that was super easy to do, and then I'm just gonna show you guys really quick how you do it, because that's more the final result. Is you put all your bedazzling inside of the gems inside of the tray, and then you're going to want to use your tweezers here to pick it up. But our tweezer here is a little sticky, so you want to just make sure that it's not sticky with glue. So we need to wipe that off. But then you would grab the little gem just like this, and then you just add it on the little kitty, and looks like we are finishing up our little kitty on the side of the bowls just to make sure it's got all of the details. And then for the glue, forgot to show you guys here, but here is the glue, and it does have this little stick here just to help so that there's not any air that goes in, and then it gets hard over time. So I really like these. And then what you can do is put it on the item where you want to put the bedazzling on versus putting it on each gem. Like that would be so much work. So if you wanted to do, for example, on the little red bow on this little pig, you would put the glue, but I wouldn't put it on the whole thing yet. I would start with a little section first, maybe like this half of the bow, and then go ahead and then put the glue on, and then you can use the bedazzling gems and add it on. So that would be the way of how I would do it. So as you guys can see, super easy to do, and it is super cute here. So here's our little kitty, and we're not quite done yet. We're going to do the sides just to really make it all pop from all sides here for our little kitty. So if you are thinking about getting this, you want to do this with your kids, make sure you guys grab this 3-4 IU resin jelly DIY kit here.